Well, guys, guess who accidentally deleted everything from yesterday? Everything. I'm talking, I was in my Red Hat Lady group. I had fun. I talked to you all. I showed you my food, everything. So I'm just going to show you a couple pictures from my Red Hat Ladies meeting. And that's really all I can do because I accidentally hit delete. And I have been so exhausted this week that I haven't even been thinking about doing my videos right. Because today's Wednesday, and the video from Monday I had forgotten to set to release this morning at 6. So I am extremely sorry. I love y'all. I'll do a little bit better. This is me and Katie, and we had a good time. I had my usual, oh shoot, I had the usual, oh look, there's all of us. Look at us, aren't we having such a good time? Anyway, I had my usual pizza bake, so it's no crust, but all the toppings on a pizza, and I had a one-trip salad. I sure do hate that I missed all that recording yesterday, but this is the best I can do, and I'll do better going forward. Love you guys. Bye.